What does your body want? What does your relationship want? What does your soul want? What does your heart want? Desire mapping is a holistic way to identify your deepest intentions and desires. I'm Jennifer Russell, licensed Desire Map Facilitator and Intentional Creativity Coach. This is a sneak peek into my upcoming virtual class, Desire Map Level 1 and 2. Over 8 weeks, we will meet live to get clear on your core desired feelings, how you truly want to feel, and how to use them as creative fuel to make great things happen in your life that will radiate out into the world. In addition to the core Desire Map curriculum, each week there will also be an optional art journaling tutorial to help us dive deeper, process, and integrate the weekly content. This is for all skill levels, no experience required. I'll walk you through each tutorial step by step. When you sign up, you'll also have instant access to the downloadable ebook and audiobook of the Desire Map by Danielle Laporte. You'll also receive a downloadable planner and workbook for the Desire Map. I'm really excited to offer this to you. The Desire Map has helped me become more confident in my decisions, reduce my anxiety, and overall makes me feel empowered. For more information, visit buildingwingsstudio.com. Hope to see you there.